Annyeonghaseyo, this is Kuya Meg TV at samahan nyo na naman ako nasagutan itong EPS topic sample exam number 696, yeah, 696. Excuse me po. Tara guys, samahan nyo na ako, basahin na natin to. Ang sabi dito is Damun kyungsang namdu chiyoge selgo inun wigugin gulagenduri ilanon siganul josan gosimnida pyoe dehan samlingguru machihanan gusto gosipsyo. Yan, ang keywords natin dito guys is si Machiano na yung hinahanap niya yung incorrect statement for the table. Yan, in English guys, the following is data for working hours of foreign workers living in Gyeongsangnam-do. Choose the incorrect statement for the table. Yan, si Machiano nang hinahanap dito guys basahin na natin tong 4 choices guys. Itong si number 1 ay si Harwe Yoshigan isang ilanun sarami, ayan Tilsip so sentujum timnida. Yan, in English those who work more than 10 hours a day account for around 70%. Yan, dito naman tayo kay number 2 kay Harwe Yodol Shigan Iharo Irolhanun Saramun. Yan Pasut Sentub Sumnida. In English, only 8% of people work less than 8 hours a day. Yan, dito naman tayo kay number 3 kay Ichiyuge Kunruja Chong Chulbani Harwe Yodol Shigan Irolhamnida. In English guys is half of all the workers in this region work 8 hours a day. Yan, dito naman tayo guys kay Ichiyuge Kunruja Chong Samsip Sentu Chume Harwe Ban Isangul Ilhamnida. In English guys is 30% of all the workers in this region work more than half a day. Yan, sa palagay nyo guys, anong tamang sagot dyan? Ito medyo mahirap tong graphs na to kasi ang hinahanap dito ay si Machianun. Yung keywords natin dito ay si Machianun. Kaya ang hanapin mo rito ay yung incorrect statement for the table. Yan guys, ano sa palagay nyo sagot guys? Ang tamang sagot dito guys is number 3. Yan, si half of all the workers in the region work on 8 hours a day. Ayan, sana may natutunan naman kayo guys. Kamsahamnida.